Welcome everyone. My name is Mr. Mabalane and I'm going to be your lecturer for the subject Chemical Engineering Thermodynamics. I hold my master's in Chemical Engineering and I obtained this master's within this institution, Tshwane University of Technology. My goal is to guide you through the course and support you in acquiring the necessary knowledge and skills for success in the various fields. My belonging to this course is to guide you to become a better person one day in the industry so that you can be able to apply all the concept of engineering thermodynamics so that you make those things to be fruitful and make sure that you play a part into the economic development. I want to extend my warmest welcome to each and every one of you. I believe that building a strong rapport within the class is a fundamental to fostering a positive and inclusive environment. I'm here to support you and your educational journey. I encourage you to approach me with any questions and concerns or ideas that you may have. In addition to my passion for teaching, I enjoy swimming and I also enjoy playing chess. These pursuits allow me to unwind and maintain a balanced lifestyle. I am also curious to learn about your interests as well as my students and your hobbies as my students as well, because of you are also crucial to me as much as I'm crucial to you. So we need to maintain a good balance. Therefore, I have placed a sheet on front of your desk and I invite all of you to write your names. Place those names in front of you so that I can see them. Mind you, you are also welcome to write one of your interests and also one of your hobbies. For example, you are welcome to write swimming or playing soccer, so that it enables us to better connect and understand each other as individuals. To ensure that we can all make the most of our time together, I kindly request that we cooperate within the following guidelines. Attendance. Attendance is a key fundamental issue within our institution. Each and every student needs to attend at least about 80% of the class. If you don't attend 80% of the class, there are possibilities that you might forfeit your sitting into the exam. This means that you might not be eligible to write your exam should you not be able to attend 80% of your class. Make sure that each and every time you leave the class, you sign the register. The guideline number 2 that we need to discuss is cell phones. Cell phones need to be placed in a silent mode at all times or in a vibration mode at all times. By doing so, we can maintain an environment that is conducive to focused learning and active participation. The third guideline that I want us to focus on is also open line of communication. If for any reason you are unable to attend class or actively contribute to discussion, please do not hesitate to inform me in advance. Your proactive communication is greatly appreciated as it helps me to understand your needs and provide necessary support. Visible writing. This one is very important. Guys, you need to write clearly, more especially on examinations, your semester test, your class test, your assignment, so that it creates a conducive environment for all of us. We don't cheat each other. We want to prevent a moment of you student coming to me and say, "Sir, here you did not mark me very well." So by doing so, please write visibly so that I can see what is it that is being written. The last guideline that I want us to discuss is called assessment and academic integrity. In the event that you are unable to complete an assessment, it is important to provide a valid sick note or appropriate documentation indicating why did you miss that assignment. This allows me to grant you an opportunity to make up for the assessment to ensure fairness and also integrity. Lastly, remember that plagiarism within the institution is prohibited. Make sure whenever you are writing reports or assignment, you avoid plagiarism. Try by all means to use your own words. Now, let me provide an overview of this course content. We will explore Unit 1 to Unit 4. Within the chemical engineering thermodynamics. And the topics that we're going to cover in this course content, they include the basic concepts and principles of thermodynamics, which is Unit 1. And Unit 2, we're going to do the first law of thermodynamics. Unit 3, we're going to do second law and energy balance of thermodynamics. And lastly, we will deal with the entropy. I wanted to explain all of the units so that before you leave this class and at least have expectation of each and every content within the unit. However, due to time constraints, I'm unable to share that. But you are welcome to peruse through the study guide that is posted or that is within our platforms, our learning platforms, which is the Brightspace. Please peruse through the learning platform so that you can also have a look at what is called the graduation attribute. What is it that is expected from you as a person? What is it that is expected from you after completing this course? I am genuinely excited to embark on this journey of discovery and growth with all of you. Together we can create an environment of respect, collaboration, mutual support. Please feel free to approach me with any questions and concerns you may have, as I'm committed to your success and well-being. Thank you very much for choosing to be part of this class. Let us make the most of our time together, build lasting connection that will enhance our education background. I thank you all. We will meet again in our next class. Thank you very much.